guys, today I'm going to tell you how to design our logo in Canva. First we're going to type canva.com. Now press enter. Secondly, click on create a design. Then search for logo. Then press enter. Right. For example, if we want to make our logo for gems and jewelry, so we can choose any logo from the given templates. For example, this one. You can change it into your own logo. You can change this into only B, or you can also write BA, or you can also choose and we can also choose this one. You can write your own brand name here. For example, wait, let me rub all of it. For example, clothes and accessories. You can do with the spelling later. Accessories. Okay. Like this, you can make any of your favorite logos. For example, this one, clothes and accessories, and this blank one you can edit it later. Hope you like my video. Thank you.